Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 15 of Loving my minis in February. And I hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine's Day. This is actually Valentine's Day night. Babe and I got back from a quick little road trip to Utah. We went to Moab and Arches National Park and we had such a fun time. So I am excited to do day 15. So let's hop in. So day 15, guys, I cannot believe it. I'm excited to see. I think we are close to finishing one. So hopefully that happens. I know I said yesterday I was going to have all this like huge decor change and all I had was a different candle and my nails were different, like, and a different color dye. I cracked myself up. I'm like, not that different, but we have our $8 today. I did take the $2 out, so I have my prop coins there. So I know we have $8 in our prop coins. So that is awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're halfway through the month now. Over halfway through. So we have $8, mostly 25-cent pieces, and then we have a couple 50, no 75. I was trying to go for like more coins to get all the challenges. So set that there for a second. So we are starting on 5. All right, pick these back up. How are you doing? How was your Valentine's Day? Did you do anything? If we didn't do our road trip, we would not have done anything. we like I said, we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day per se, but we do go to dinner. But we usually do it like a couple days after. 1 for number 7. The pups came with us on the road trip. They're so happy to be home, especially Jake. He is such a homebody. He's just like me. Jake and I are like, are we home yet? Coco's got 1. Phoenix is rolling around right now in his bed. He's cracking me up. 1 for 2. Oh my gosh, we're going to be here for a while. Oh, I went down the wrong one. Coco, you okay? Oh, 3 got 3, everybody. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. And 4 got 1. 1 for 5. We are definitely going to be here for a while. Hope you guys have a snack. 7 got 1. Phoenix, what are you doing, buddy? You happy to be home? And then 1 for number 8. Oh my gosh, all these 1s. Oh my goodness, 1 for 1. Okay, now can we get 2 for 2? Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody, let's hope for 3 for 3. Oh, we did it! Yes. I don't know why that makes me so happy, but it does. We haven't done that in a while, so that's really cool. Yay! All right. And then number 4 got 2, and we have 2 more. And those will go to number 5. And then we will start on 6 tomorrow. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's scoot this out of the way. All right. So number 1 got 50 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And we can cross out 2 more. So 50 more cents, and this one will save us $2. All right, and then number 2 got 75 cents. And then this one is, a new one from 4 Dizzy Birds. So this one will save us $4, so we can do 3 circles. All right, super cute. Finished that one. All right, next is number 3. So we got $1, $2. All right, so that is $2 for number 3. That's exciting. This one is from Bella at Saving Made Simple. Let me get my darker marker out so we can see. So we can do 2 more rows on this. That is crazy. We doubled the amount of savings. Very cool. So that one will save us $6 when we are done. All right. Can't believe how much that got. Number 3 got a lot. It's because we went around a million times. All right, so number 4 got 75 cents. Oh, it needed 25, so we'll put 25 away, and we'll color in our last pumpkin, and this is Save with Judy, and it saved us $7. I think that is the most we've ever saved on one of our little minis. So that's super exciting. So yay, that one's done, so I'll set that right there. Let's get another one out of our queue, and what's this one? Aw, from Becca Budget 777. Look at how happy that ghost is. All right, so we can do 2 boxes. All right, so we got $50, $50. Oh my gosh. We were just in a car for a very long time. So we have 50 cents in this one, and it'll save us $5 when we're done. All right, number 5. So that's 50. So we have $1.50 going into number 5. And we needed $1, so I'll take this and we'll leave 50 cents. So this one's from Bookish Mama Budget, saved us $5. So let me get my marker, color these in. Perfect. Look how cute that turned out. Love it. Oh, we're doing so good today. All right, so let's pull out another one. What is this? What is this one? This is from Evergreen Budgets. This will save us $3. So we can mark out 2. I don't think that's going to be dark enough. Let's do that. I just got blue in my pink, but that's okay. All right. All right, and then number 6 got $1.25. And this one is from Savings with Tracy. It was a collab with Norellis Budgets. Their fall into savings collab last year, I think. So we can mark off 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So close. We should finish that one tomorrow because we start with this one. So that'll save us $2. Oops. All right, and then number 7 got 75 cents. And this one is from the Dramatic Panda. Don't look back. The past is exactly where it belongs. So I can do 3 squares. All right. Perfect. And then last but not least, number 8 got 50 cents. And this one is needed 50 cents. Oh my, no, it didn't, because I wasn't supposed to do that one. That was my little X, and I did remember. So yay me. So I will color in 1 hat, and we will finish this one tomorrow. I'm so proud I remembered. So this one's from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Perfect. Finished 2, 7 and a 5. That's awesome. So let's go back up to the front. Let's put our prop coins away. And then we can get 7 and 5 is $12. So 5, 10, 11, and 12. And then I will put $12 in my completed section. We get to add 2 more challenges to our completed. I cannot wait to see how many is in here. Okay. So fantastic. Day 15. I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope you are having a wonderful weekend. And later today, I actually get to meet Kimmy from Kimmy's Corner. She's we're going to hang out for a little bit, and yeah, I'm excited to meet her in person. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And until next time, take care. Bye.